guys, and welcome to our new lighting series in Maya. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create this dramatic, cinematic, or Gobo projection lighting in a V-Ray using one light. So let's get into our scene. So here is our scene. I will provide this download link in the description where you can download from the ArtStation. It's completely free. What we will do, we will go to our V-Ray frame buffer, and as you can see here, nothing is there. It's completely black. If we render, as you can see, we do not see anything because we do not have any kind of light, right? So what we will do, we'll go to the V-Ray panel and press this rectangular light, and I'll just take it up. I'll just take it up here, and most people, what we'll do is press R and then scale it. Do not do that. It will create some kind of bug in the V-Ray light. So what we'll do, use this U and V scaling feature and press E and then rotate it like this, right, and move it backwards a little bit. Right, then go to a bookmark, camera one, right? So if we look here, okay, we are getting this blown out kind of light. So this is like a, let's say, a key light, right? And using our U and V size, we get this kind of shadows, right? So now we will go into our interesting part, that is the Gobo lighting. What we will do, we will go to this texture part and we will use rectangular texture and click on here, click on file, then find any kind of picture you want. I will use this city nightlight kind of image. So let's open it, and as you can see, we can see something bluish, but we cannot see our projection like kind of thing, right? So what's wrong with that? So if we select our light and come into this directionality, right, then we will see something. Okay, there we go. So what V-Ray does is in this directionality functionality, the light acts as a spotlight, right? So what we will do, we'll go here and we will put a value of 0.991, right? And also we will need to decrease this intensity, like let's say 2. Okay, so we can see something right now, right? So we can increase our U size, let's say 40, and our V size around, let's say 15, right? Now we can see something right now. Okay, we can use like around 25, let's say 20. Okay, 25 was right, 25, or maybe 20 is right, or we can use 10. Okay, so it's now looking good, right? We can also maybe 1, we will use this one, right? So as you can see, using just one image, we are getting this kind of nice dramatic lighting, cinematic kind of lighting. And you can use mostly like a directionality light for simulating the moonlight. Also you can use another Gobo lighting for here in the background. Okay, so I hope you like this, and I'll share, subscribe, and share it with your friends or buddies or whatever you want. And also, Happy New Year. Bye bye, take care.